Run, run, run!
Run! Run!
What she got, buddy?
That little puppy got you.
Oh my
It's okay, Asher. Hey, hey! No, you be nice to my baby. That's my baby, and I will eat you.
To Mommy. There's a grandma chicken.
Grandma chicken?
Yes. Oh, he's picky. Here's a tongue.
Oh. A soccer ball. No, don't do that. Then they can't get it.
Out of your hand.
Oh, hey! Oh!
Then I always see out there that are 20 or entire person.
Well, have her give him one.
No, she doesn't like it. Mira, hold it. Here, mira. Mira, papi, mira, papi. Mira, papi, mira.
Oh, right in the head. Hey. Oh.
See what's she gonna do? Oh, get down. Go on the floor. Go down on the floor so she can't see you. Do it again. Look, she's waiting.
They make little
And just like our farm, sheep.
What noise does a lamb make?
You're okay. You're okay. You're okay.
No! No!
No.
No, get off my glasses!
Hey!
No.
Oh! He's on your... Oh, he's in your business.
You got.
Oh, he's gonna touch.
Yeah, you can get it. Get it. Oh, you got. Oh. Come here, get it.
And she really does. She really said, "Meow." She squeaks. And I'm really excited to have a cat because I like cats and I never feel the cat.
Which one's that? What are you eating, George? Oh, Bosun! Bosun, you bugger!
You can do louder.
You gotta let it out of your mouth.
You gotta remember which side you do it on.
Yep. Which side do you go?
Sit down, Braylon.
There's a baby running.
Doctor.
I knew it was gonna do something like that.